Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a 2007 Toyota Prius battery. Begin by disconnecting the -12V terminal, then remove the cabin access panels to expose the hybrid battery pack. Work slowly, keep metal tools clear of terminals, and wear protective gloves and eye protection. Label each connector and photograph wiring for reassembly. Use an approved replacement battery and a torque wrench for mounting bolts, then reconnect and scan for codes. Start by removing trunk trim and folding the rear seats to reach the battery compartment safely. Carefully disconnect cooling lines and electrical connectors, keeping them organized and labeled for reinstallation. Unbolt the mounting brackets using a torque wrench and get a second person to help lift the heavy pack straight up and out. Place the old battery on a padded surface and inspect connectors for corrosion before installing the replacement pack following the reverse steps. Lower the replacement battery pack slowly with an assistant and align it with the mounting points, then secure brackets to the specified torque values. Reattach cooling lines and electrical connectors in reverse order, confirming each connector clicks into place. Reinstall trim and seats, reconnect the -12V terminal last, then start the car and run a diagnostic scan to clear any error codes. Monitor temperature and charge behavior on the first drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.